Good morning and welcome to the glorious capital of Hungary, Budapest. I've got my coffee and today we'll be going on a special adventure for all five of you. Lenin, Stalin, do those names ring a bell? Throughout the late 80s and early 90s, the ideology of communism was collapsing all across Eastern Europe. And with that, all of the statues were also taken down. Some of them were melted back into the raw materials, thrown away, defaced, graffitied. However, here in Budapest, someone decided that they're going to take them and they're going to put them in a memorial park on the other side of the city for everyone to see. It's just a 1-hour trip away from the center of Budapest, and you can come here. It seems that Lera is more interested in the snails at the garden rather than... This is good vision by the people to save the statues and come here. Do you agree?
It's a very nice park, very pleasant and quiet.
It is very pleasant and quiet. It's raining now, so we have taken refuge under the cover of this brick arch. But this place is making me really think. If you're in Budapest as a tourist, there's the Danube River, the Fisherman's Bastion, a couple of cathedrals, the Chain Bridge, why would you spend 1 hour to get to the outskirts of Budapest on a bus to come and see a couple of old bronze statues and pay €8?
8.5.
Who are you? Why would you want to come here? Are you secretly a communist activist? Do you still believe in the ideology? Or are you just like us, interested in history and what's been happening in the world during the 20th century? Why else would you come here?
Yeah, it's interesting to see a cemetery of statues that have been abandoned by the city.
Like she said, this is a cemetery of statues that have been left here to die, along with the ideas they represent. A worker looking towards his bright future. Welcome to this luxurious, or should I say anti-luxurious vehicle, the Trabant. This car goes 0 to 100 in about 25.6 seconds. I'm not even sure if it gets to 100, to be honest. Just like modern cars, it has 3 pedals at the bottom. There's the acceleration, it has your brake, and it has the clutch. Now, there is a handbrake, as you can see. It goes down. Is it moving?
No.
It's not moving. And the handbrake that goes up, so the realistic sound. Here we have modern and advanced climate system. You can see here, we can turn this knob up for hot and cold, and a couple of other things. Now the radio has been stolen, unfortunately, but it would have been good to turn the radio on and listen to what Brezhnev had to say. However, do not be so sad, because there is a phone booth in this Memento Park where we can actually phone up the communist leaders. Let's go do that. So Memento Park has a magic phone booth, and in this magic phone booth you can call up any communist leader you want. Mao Zedong, Fidel Castro, Che Guevara, Brezhnev, Stalin. Should we call Stalin? Let's call Stalin. In what year did the military event that turned... Okay, Stalingrad was 1940. Calling Stalin. Stalin has a very high-pitched voice, doesn't he? Also Lenin.
Especially Lenin, yeah.
Especially Lenin is high-pitched.